Hello, welcome back. I hope that you're doing as well as possible and that you had a good weekend and you're ready for another week. So, quick overview of today's lesson. The first thing you're going to be doing is watching one more video that covers the next two learning targets that we're reviewing. You're going to be continuing in the same notes document. Eventually, this notes document will turn into your cheat sheet for the AP exam. So we're going back, we're kind of going through the whole year again, covering the key, most important things using the AP review videos. You're going to be taking notes in this document, and then you're going to be able to use the Control F function during the AP exam to be able to find your notes. So do a really good job in this notes document. It's going to help you review and understand the terms and also help you as a resource during the exam itself. I also want to emphasize, again, to put everything into your own words. It's really not helpful in this notes document to have things that don't make sense to you. Like, what's the point? No one is going to see it but you. And the important thing is that you actually understand what you're writing so you can then apply it in a free response question. So it's there for you to use, and after you finish with these notes, the next thing that you're going to do for class today is you're going to look at your scores from last week on AP Classroom. I graded your 2 free response questions that you did the end of last week, and then depending on your score, you're going to either revise. You're going to choose one question to revise. You can either revise the first, revise the second, or if you got a perfect score on both, I have a third problem for you to try. That's the similar type of problem. So that's class today, taking some notes. That should take about 40 minutes, and then doing a free response question, that should take hopefully about 20 to 30 minutes. So that is class for today. Reach out with any questions and enjoy the rest of the lesson.